Here we are on this wonderful 6th day of May, and there's the most beautiful woman in the whole world. How she tolerates me sometimes is beyond me, but here we are in our AT&T days. Here's a bunch of phones. Got these 2 of those common equipment set and 7 of those regular phones. Need to sell them. Come out here to check out AW on his new. Hey, when you get down to Winn-Dixie, bring me back me a loaf of bread. The evolution of life. He's going back to his childhood.
I don't think I'm going to be able to ride.
Yeah, you will. You just got to have to work at it. Get going. Once you get out there, it gets easier. I told you should have got that one with the motor. That way you.
It wouldn't do my legs no good.
Yeah, it would, because it would push you up the hill and you could pedal down the hill. Let me make sure you're in the right gear. Took him just a week to make the move. Okay, wait, you're in the wrong gear.
Huh?
No, you're right. You're okay. You're going up a little slope now. When you start going downhill, now you're gonna get going. You better get a head of steam to get up this hill. You thought you had learned how to ride a bicycle, didn't you? I can tell you one thing. Remember how to stop the thing. Well, you got it. That's where they got the handlebars pointed. That's where you're gonna go. You're doing fine. I don't know why you get so scared. Put your feet on those pedals.
Huh?
Put your feet on the pedals. I got you. I'm holding you. No, well, hold on. You got to hold on to it. You're not going to go anywhere fast because I got a hold of you. Put your feet on the pedal.
Well, I got to sell this damn thing now. I can't find this way.
Took him just a week to make the moon and the stars. Doodle-doo-doo-doo-doo and Jupiter and Mars. I thought I heard old Prissy.
No, I knew you did.
As long as she can move around, she wasn't too bad, huh? You wouldn't think anything happened now. Here, get off that thing. I'll push it over here.
I can't.
You're gonna have to build up your muscles. Get off of that thing. I'll park it. Yep.
Why can't I?
Took him just a week to make the moon and the stars. What you do is you just...
Run around, yeah.
That's exactly what you do. You just drive around in a circle.
Do not put. Every year I've been pregnant just about it.
Take a picture of these good-looking folks.
How are you? She told me. Hi. Oh boy, I tell you, you're smart. Well, Sharon told me.
Whether you want to have them all in scripture or
Show
talk to
care,
say what y'all learned or what you did in Bible school.
We would teach you a song we did Friday night, but you also would have something that you learned from your class to do.
Your teacher will tell you what you can do with that. You might make it sing. Another song.
Yodelay, yodelay. Do-do-do. Praise God from...
What you got to have numbers? Oh, you got the gas out of there.
Yeah, I kind of got it.
There you go, you got it.
I'm playing after you. When are you going to be done?
There it is. There you go, y'all got it now.
Zumbo! Zumbo! Zumbo!
Easy, easy.
Mom. Zoom, zoom, zumbo!
Easy now.
Woo!
Down. All right, try it again now. Good boy. Yeah. Sleep.
Whoa! I keep on getting. Oh!
You all right?
Ouch.
You need to keep You need to keep the thing closed until it gets right.
All right, Kyle, let Haley try it now.
Let me try it now. Okay,
Let Haley try it.
I didn't mean to.
Okay.
All right, that's enough of the ball kicking now. Kyle.
Yeah. Back up. I'm after Haley. Me and Tracy.
You take this inside. All right, Haley, you hold yours shut.
man,
Now
I
open
want
yours up. There you go.
Whoa.
Shut yours, Haley. All right, come on. There you go. Just like that. There you go.
Time to get refreshed, Mom.
All right, when you shut them now.
Haley.
The Zoom ball.
Zoom ball.
Oh!
That's okay. That's okay.
You got it? All right, you got to shut them.
Hey, it's mine. I'm doing this.
Kyle, move.
Hey, you can be over there. Move, Kyle.
You better watch out. That thing will hit you. It's hard.
Come on. Kyle, y'all come on. You got to go in.
Okay, change places.
These places.
There you go. Well, right.
Ooh, that's so cute. Cookies and stairs. All right. And then you come and see me. The thing in the jug is theirs. Is theirs. All right.
Yeah, these are the sweetest ones.
All right, sit at the table now.
See, this and
Don't
him
get
goes
a
to
cook.
hug you.
I'm going to let Richard drink out.
Yeah, wait to the table.
You want to move it?
You get to
All right,
the
sit
table.
to the table. Come on, Terry. Here's yours. Oh, you can sit down there?
All right, you sit up there then.
Thank you, ma'am. Need some napkins? Yeah, wait a minute. Wait a second. Yeah. We can put napkins, put your cookie on the napkin. Come here, Richard.
Sit down, squirt. They didn't slide you over just as...
Got you on camera doing what you do best. Good, huh? What?
I'm trying to be careful that I don't get these adults. They might come up and hit me or something.
Well, you got the best one just now. Get that bag of pennies? Okay.
Sure will.
Supposed to do, so that's why you didn't come to church today.
Oh, cool. And Amanda's
We're
sleeping
gonna look for you
well.
next time, no end.
Chris has got a cool haircut.
I like that. Christian Blake's haircut kind of favorite.
Oh,
This is my boy Barry here, though. He's all right.
Tell him your name is Barry.
Hey, now, come on. Time to go.
Here's the world champion volleyball player.
Whenever it hits her hands, you close your hands.
Okay, I'm doing an interview. What's your name, young lady?
Jessica.
Jessica. How old are you, Jessica?
8.
What's your last name?
William.
What would you like to tell the world? Tell them to behave. Let's go check this young man here. Hey, young man, what's your name? Dayton? Clayton. How you spell that? C-L-A-Y-T-O-N? How old are you? 25?
No, I'm 5.
Okay, you're only 5. Okay. Anything you like to tell the world? Okay. Let's go see if we can interview someone else. Let's check this young lady out right here. She looks very famous. And what's your name, young lady?
Amanda.
Nana? How you spell that?
A-M-A-N-D-A.
Amanda. I should remember that. That's only about 20th time you told me, huh? How old are you, Amanda?
6.
Who made you?
7.5.
Who made you so cute?
Never.
Somebody did. And I think this is Stacy. How old are you, Stacy?
8.
What do you want to tell the world?
To listen to your parents.
That's good advice. What's this young man's name? What's your name? Huh?
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey? How old are you, Jeffrey? What's your last name?
Harry.
That's a good name. What's that on your t-shirt?
Cat.
The Magic. This ticket is Magic. Who, do you know this gentleman right here? What's your name?
Dog.
How you spell that?
Kelly.
C-O-W?
Kelly.
How old are you, Cal?
18.
18 and shrinking?
What a bitch.
Okay. Do you know anybody else?
Get me.
Do you know anybody else around here? go introduce me to these people here.
That's Brett, that's Brett, that's Brett, that's Brett.
What's that guy there? Here's this world gymnast. Okay, I think we give him a 4 point on his approach. We'll get a close-up on the bottom of this guy's shoes. Okay, when you come this way, I'll zoom in, okay? And the lens breaks.
Come on if you want to give me that hat.
No!
This is Miss Heather, huh?
Tell Mr. Kenny he can't have your hat. You hear me? Tell Mr. Kenny he can't have your hat.
Yeah, yeah.
You guys must be the sturdy ones. They put you out here when the sun's still up. You, all right, you got smart, you got in the shade, huh?
Has everybody got one?
In him? Here's the best group. Forward march. Have fun.
pledge allegiance to the flag. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the Christian flag, to the Savior, the kingdom and stands, one brotherhood, uniting all Christians in service and love. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the Bible, God's holy word, a lamp unto my feet, and a light unto my path. Its words will I hide in my heart, that I might not sin against God. Mothers and fathers and all of you to come out tonight, and we really enjoyed the kids this week. Can y'all tell them what our theme was for this week? And what did we learn? What was the week about? And our week, this week with Vacation Bible Schools, growing and learning with God and our families. And we had a really good attendance every night. Our total enrollment was 80 for the week. And I think our highest attendance was 67 one night, but the average was like 63, so we did pretty good. But I think the kids really enjoyed it, and we enjoyed it, and we're glad the parents had them out. We had a tithe every night, trying to get money, raise money for the Connie Maxwell Fund for the boys' home, and the kids brought change every night. And we had a bucket for the girls and a bucket for the boys. And they worked real hard at this. And if the boys got all the money, the most money in weight, I would get a pie in the face. And if the girls got the most money in weight, Mr. Kenny Cox would get a pie in the face. And then the preacher told us Wednesday night, I think, that if we had an enrollment of 75, he would get a pie in the face. So I don't know whether he's going to get one or not. enjoyed it, we've enjoyed it. We've had a big week, and they got the craft stuff in the back. But we had perfect attendance for the ones that showed up every night. But the ones that stood up every